I'm going to teach you how you can create a single product page. To do that, come to the dashboard, then click on move on templates, then click on theme builder. After clicking on the theme builder, you have a section like this. Then look for single product. Once you click here, then click here, add new. So once you click add new, it will come to a page like this. So once it comes to a page like this, it is now you to know. Then you publish it. Then it is now you to know how you are going to design it. You can have two sections. For example, here. So here we are going to put like product images. So the product images will be here. We shall add here the title, the breadcrumb, add the price, add to cart. So you can select either which color you need. Can also get like a short description. Short description put here up. So this is your short description. Please note, you'll have to design this the way you feel like, basing on your colors, adding the padding. I'm just showing you how you can do it. Then after that, add a new section. Look for product data tabs. Add that so you can have the product description, product information, and the review. You can review the product. So after that, add a new section. Add what we call related products. Products related, it's here. Carry it and drop inside here. Then you'll have related products. So this is how you can create it. So once somebody is in your shop like this, sorry, it is not yet connected. Already set it. So once somebody is in your shop page like this, and clicks on any of these products like this one, will be taken to something, a single product page like this one. Please make sure that you design this according to the way you feel like. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel.